Alright guys, so I understand in the last video about the fgets function, so it's very useful function fget. It's basically used in the file handling, which contains it contains basically three parameters. So I want to show you guys so you understand that how to use the fgets function. So as I explained to you in the last video that gets should not be used because it basically overrides memory. However, fgets is better than it basically don't overrides the memory. Alright, so this is what the basic difference between the gets and the fgets. So I want to explain you a bit about the example to explain you about fgets function. So here I have a string name str, and inside that we have I just have a size of 5, and alright, so afterwards we have to I just type enter the string. Alright, and then I have it's good to use. Now I want to use my fgets, and inside the fgets we use we have the name of the character, which is the str, and the size, basically the number of characters we type, and stdin for the input. Alright, semicolon, and now just I use a put s2 just to show you the string. Alright, so let's see it. I just want to override yeah, so here if I type here Abdullah, that's fine, it shows me Abdullah, but now you can see that Abdullah contains 7 characters, sorry 8. If I use for instance, if I use computer engineer, so now you can see that it just shows me computer because it contains character 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, including the space and then E. So it only shows me computer. So another example, if I have Ali, Mubashir, and then you can see it just only shows me the 10 characters, 1 2 3 4, the space is included, 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the way how the things are working. So I hope that you understand how to use the fgets function, and later on in the coming videos I'm very sure that I want to show you guys the complete functionality for the fgets function, the puts function, fputs function, and in the future I definitely make videos on the file handling, which is another concept in C language, and we definitely work on some projects as well. So I hope that you guys just need to give me the feedback, let me know your problems, and I will definitely work on. So it's all up to you guys. So I hope that you understand, and I will see you in the next video.